very tight community, a very tight industry. So for us, it's important to give back what we can do, recognising people and, all their hard work.
Absolutely incredible. A big, massive thank you to the team that actually put the project together.
We were coming in as the underdogs. I'm quite excited. I don't know what words to use. I wasn't even prepared for this.
It validates all the work we do and justifies what we try to deliver to our customers, so it's fantastic.
Super proud. We've been the only company to be doing shortlisted in 2 categories, so our hopes were high. But to actually win is super cool.
This is a new technology that we have introduced last year, so we are really proud of this, and I think it's excellent to get this.
Amazing. Very pleased to have won the award. It's a huge recognition of our hard work that we've done to support 14 to 18-year-olds.
We were hoping for maybe one, but this is really cool to be recognized like this.
Massive deal for us in terms of progress when it comes to energy efficiency, heat reuse, being able to impact our social communities as well.
It's great that people get a voice, and we're trying to encourage all the people, no matter how big or small, if they've got an idea, put it forward.